Uno Party, the 2025 rules, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. This game is played with 6 to 14 players. Place the direction tracker with the clockwise side face up in the center of the table. Whenever the direction of play changes during the game, flip the direction track card. Place the link cards to the side. When creating the discard pile, flip until you get a non-action card. Ignore the effects of all action cards flipped. During play, if you have a number card in your hand that matches the top card in the discard pile by both number and color, you are allowed to play that card out of turn. Play then continues from you. If you play an incorrect card in this way, then you must take the card back and draw one penalty card. The new cards are Point Taken. When you play this card, say out loud 3, 2, 1. Then, on 1, every player points at any other player. Now, each player draws one card for each player that is pointing at them, up to a maximum of 5 cards. Wild Pileup. When you play this, take the top card from the draw deck and place it face up in front of you, creating a mini pile. If this card is a wild, add another card until you get a non-wild. Now, the next player must play a card of the same color. Wild cards may be played, but they do not change the color. Action cards may be played, but you do not carry out the action. Once you get to a player who can't play a card to the mini pile, then that player takes all the cards from the mini pile into their hand. Play then continues from the next player after that player, with the color of the mini pile being used as the color. Wild Drawn Together. When you play this card, select 2 players and place a link card in front of both of them. Then choose a color that continues play. Moving forward, whenever one of these players must draw cards, the other player draws the same amount. If 2 players are already linked when played, then you must pick 2 new different players. The players remain linked until a point taken card is played. At the end of each round, point taken cards are worth 20 points each. Wild Drawn Together and Wild Pile Up are each 50 points. The symbols on the top of the cards are to assist colorblind players.